Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this CrunchMaster avocado. This was at COSTCO, and we're gonna do a quick taste test. So it's vegan, as you can see, right there. And okay, so here's the nutrient panel. Here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And as you can see, they use millet in there. There's sesame in there, so just be aware of that. Rice flour is the main ingredient. Okay, so there is 2 bags in there. I took 1 bag out, and here is it open. So I'm going to do a quick taste test for you guys, show you what it looks like. Here's the cracker itself. Nice. Let's try this out. Okay, so I can taste the seasoning, the pepper that's in there, but you know, it says it's avocado flavor. I don't really taste avocado, but it's good otherwise. It's like it has like a sort of like a salty, peppery type of taste to it. But yeah, all right guys, stay tuned for more videos, and it is crunchy.